The following announcement has been paid for by Perched on the Top Rope.
Welcome everyone to Perched on the Top Rope. This is an unboxing video. So let's find out what's in the box. And I'm going to skip ahead so you don't have to watch me struggle open it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got the box open and I had to see something I always despise are these pink little popcorn things. My cats love them. So, ladies and gentlemen, what was in the box? So I'm unwrapping the bubble tape right now. And if I show you that, then it's going to completely give away what the item is. One piece off. Now, it did come with a case, and it is a JFA item. So, ladies and gentlemen, what was in this box? Well, it's a WWE Bianca Belair, signed and inscribed Bianca Belair, EST of WWE. Let's zoom in right up on the autograph here. Came in a case. The figure is in great shape. There's literally nothing wrong with the box. There's the sticker. So everything is in great shape. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was today's What's in the Box. Now you can go and you can watch all our other unboxing videos at youtube.com/perched on the top rope or youtube.com/perched on the top rope. And we've also talked a lot of action figures with the likes of WWE legends such as Adam Bomb, Tatanka, Gilbert, Yoshitatsu, and more. And you can watch those interviews at youtube.com, or you can go listen to those interviews on Apple Podcasts. It's Perched on the Top Rope. Just remember, even though I do these unboxing videos, spoiler free is the way to be. I'm out.